So this is a storigami called The King Who Lost His Crown. Once upon a time, there was a king who was very, very sad because he had lost his crown. So he decided to go and look in different places of his palace to see if his crown was there. First, he went to the pond of his garden, and there he asked a duck. And he said, "Good morning, Mr. Duck. Have you seen my crown?" And the duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack. Good morning, King. I'm so sorry, but I haven't seen your crown. However, quack, 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 I know an animal who might be able to help you. You should go and ask him. I will give you a hint. This animal has a very good smell and very good hearing. And this animal's name is 3 letters long. The first letter is letter F. You know, quack, 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 quack. What animal is it?" "Oh," said the king, "it must be the fox." And the king went and asked the fox, "Good morning, Mr. Fox. Have you seen my crown?" And the fox said, "Good morning, King. I'm so sorry, but I haven't seen your crown. However, I know an animal who might be able to help you. I will give you a clue. This animal has a very good eyesight and very good views because he can fly. The animal's name is 4 letters long, and the first letter is letter B. You know what animal is it?" And the king said, "Oh yes, it must be the bird." So he went and asked the bird, "Good morning, Mr. Bird. Have you seen my crown?" And the bird said, "Good morning, King. Pew, 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 pew. I'm sorry, but I haven't seen your crown. However, last day, while I was flying, I saw a sparkly object under the water, and maybe it was your crown." So the king said, "Oh, thank you very much. I will take my sailboat." And the king started his journey looking for the crown. He was sailing and sailing and sailing for so many hours. But suddenly there was a storm, and the sail of the sailboat broke. So it turned into a simple boat. And the king, because of the heavy rain, he got lost. But he was a very good sailor, and he was able to guide him with the polar star. But why did he guide him with the polar star? Because the polar star always shows north. So the king, with the polar star, returned to his palace and changed the boat for a better boat, for another kind of boat, and it was a steamboat. So he sailed out to the sea, and he started again his journey in search for the crown. He was sailing and sailing until he arrived to a desert island, and there he found a house. So he got off the steamboat and he went to the house. Doo-doo-doo. But what do you think he did before he went to the house? I give you some time to think. What do you normally do when you find a door closed? The king knocked on the door. Toc, toc, toc. Can you please knock on the door? Toc, toc, toc. The king knocked on the door to see if anyone was there, but no one answered. So he opened the door, and the first thing he saw was a very big box. And he thought, oh, maybe my crown is in that box. So he started to look inside the box and he found a mouse. Oh, disgusting. He found a scarf, but it was so hot on that island. He found a book. Oh, great. But there was no crown inside the box. However, he found a cup, and he decided that he would stop looking for the crown, that he would use this cup instead of the crown, and he would stay on that island to live, and he would protect his skin with this cup from the sunlight, because on that island it was so hot. And this is the end of the Storigami called The King Who Lost His Crown. Thank you very much for your attention, and remember, fold paper and unfold surprise.